Learn how students and parents log into Schoology. Parents and students log into Schoology using different URLs. Students use this URL, classical.schoology.com, using their TCA Docs account, which is our school Google account. Students will receive an email with a generic password at the beginning of the year. Returning students in grades 6 to 12 will reuse their passwords from previous years. All other passwords will be reset. Upon first login, students need to be ready to create a personal password. Parents log in at Schoology.com using their email as their username and a self-created password. Parents should create their own account so they can view the important information for each of their children, regardless of the campus that they attend. All students will be logged into their Schoology courses, including grades TK to 2, which is different from previous years. In grades TK to 2, parents may prefer to be logged in as a parent. You will be able to view all the content in the lesson. If your student is required to submit an assignment or take a test, they may need to be logged into their TCA Docs account, but this usually doesn't happen very often at these grade levels. There is a way to log in as both a student and a parent. Here are the steps, but I will demonstrate. Open a tab at Schoology.com and we'll log in as a parent here. You'll notice that when you're logged in as a parent, you get this blue bar at the top reminding you that you are viewing as one of your students. And if I click on the login here, here's the name of the student I'm viewing. Here's the name of the parent who logged in. There sometimes may be a second parent, and then the other siblings that are enrolled at any of our campuses. Now I'm going to go ahead and open a second tab and go to classical.schoology.com. I'll select the student name. And then what sometimes happens is a second parent account opens. So if that happens to you, just scroll down, log out, come back to the URL and switch back to classical.schoology.com. Select the student, and now you'll see that it's the student's account. When you click on the profile name, you'll see that it's just her account, no parents or siblings here. So now we have one account where you're logged in as a student and one account where you're logged in as the parent. You don't have to be logged in as a parent and a student, but some families will find this is helpful. And if you have additional questions, please email lmssupport@classicalacademy.com.